Hi, I'm Sam Talbot. Breakfast gets the body in gear and sets the tone for staying healthy all day long. As a professional chef living with type 1 diabetes, I've developed a few recipes that keep my body in check and allow me to stay on the go while using my continuous glucose monitor. Start by combining all of the ingredients into a blender. Blend on low and work your way up to high until the mixture is smooth. You can adjust the thickness of the smoothie by adding more coconut water. Now you're all set. Divide up the smoothie into glasses and place any leftovers in the fridge to enjoy throughout the day. This smoothie is a great balance of vegetables, fruit, and protein, which is exactly how I like to start my day. In addition to my healthy breakfast, I monitor my glucose in my Connect CGM. Talk to your doctor about what technology may be right for you. Cheers.